bike definitely weighs less than mine.
$19.10. Alright, this is my bike check. This is in response to, I don't know, somebody's titanium bike or some shit like that, 19-pound bike. So, yeah, this is my bike. Start off with the tires. Fold up tires, gotta go fold up. Trying to build a light bike, gotta go fold up, Kevlar bead. This is a Maxxis grifter in the back. Fit FAFK in the front. My rims, Primo. The hubs are profile. They're studs instead of solid axle, so it's a lot lighter. On top of that, they're tie, so all the studs are tie. In the back, got the same hub, same rim, Primo, the balance. Tie studs, and then the driver is tie, 9-tooth, solid.
Spin that bad boy, let's hear that sprocket.
It's kind of loud, I like it. People hear me coming. Pedals, plastic, thermalights. I like them because they're nice and wide. Go through them real quick, but they're like $15, so. Profile cranks, the bossless cranks, so no sprocket bolt. I don't know if you can see that. I think they call it a spline drive. So the splines are actually on the sprocket, and then I'm running a tie spindle in there. Seat is the shadow seat and post combo, so it's not actually a pivotal. The frame is a Fit Benny L. Really steep head tube, nice and short rear end. I'm short, works for me. The forks are the Fit Shiv 1 forks. They're lighter than the 2s. E-clad headset, no dust cap, saves weight. Carbon fiber spacers, aluminum top cap, and I chopped the threads about that much. Same thing with the crank bolts, the non-peg side studs, except for the drive side over there. Primo Sam Squanch bars and Shadow Conspiracy stem. Kind of customized the stem a little bit, shaved off a little bit of weight. Let's see, black market pegs or black ops pegs, plastic. They actually hold up pretty good. You can rotate them like 9 times. Once the back gets kind of messed up, switch it to the front. Those are only like $20 for a set, so save a lot of weight. You actually slide really good on